77Suba Van Mahotsav 2026 Observance की Saruk Oina एक पेड़ माँ के नाम 3.0 का Makhada Central Forest Division KONBA MATAI KHUL NINGOL Ven ama DFO VIKRAM SURESH NADHE IFS na ribbon KAKTUNA ngasi HOUDOKHRE Central Forest Division Forest Department Government of Manipur ga Development Committee MATAI Women Welfare Association Naharul Yaifal Lamjing Club MATAI JFMC MATAI na kusam nana Sindana pangtokpa ningol ven haudokpagi thoramda matai khulgi haugalakliba ningol kayana makhoi bu pokpiba mama mapa singa matai gi ground da DFO VIKRAM SURESH NADHE IFS amadi khulgi lochingba kayaga loinena uhai panba hidak kananaba sangdunata leiba upal kayagi chara sing thaki loinena thakiba upal sing masagi mingda QR code theki amadi khunja sing asu Central Forest Division na mafumasibu khanbiduna Upal thana pathodang sing asida mating panglapagi nungaiba fongdoraki DFO SURESH NADHE IFS na fongdokibada thoramasina Manipur asi nupi singbu yamna empower tawba lamdamni haiba mayek sengali ngasi thariba upal sing asi khusamnariba local organization singna makhoi gi machanupi singi masagi mingda hingna ba soidana khotnagani amadi umang masing hantarakpagi honglakliba malemgi awanba asi lamthengna bada Mating soidna oigani thazai haiki
Matai village has been a very forthcoming village. They have contributed a lot in conservation of the forest in the adjoining areas of NINGOL Reserve Forest. So we have collaborated with the Matai village. We are in the process of forming a joint forest management committee with the Matai village, and it will be operational. The youths, the Mairapabis, the organizations from village are very active, and they are very good in collaboration with the forest department. They have collaborated with us in conservation of the trees in the adjoining forest. They have collaborated in conservation of the wildlife present in around this place. We have a good population of deer in this area, and I really thank the Matai villagers for the contribution they have made in the conservation of the trees and also the conservation of wildlife present in this area. Today we are launching this NINGOL one in Matai village, and it symbolizes a joint idea where on one side we have empowered women of Manipur, who are very strong and empowered women of Manipur. On the other side, the value system of Manipur, which speaks about conservation of forest and wildlife. So through this concept of NINGOL one, we are integrating these two ideas into a single idea. And this place is really a very beautiful site selected by the villagers, and we have done a plantation of the local species that are present in our state, and very good height saplings have been planted today. Within few years, these saplings will come out in a very good height,